Trader here, and we are back with another day of trading. Yesterday was a little brutal for me, a little hectic, but we're going to come back in. I am going to play around with some refinements to my strategy. But we'll just have to hopefully not as get emotionally involved as we did yesterday. Alright, so we'll go ahead and check out our screener. Joint venture with KRX, patient access reach. Today I'm kind of going to trade with the goal of entering on pullbacks instead of breaks. Alright, High Roller has good news. We'll check out some of these other ones real quick. Right, BTBD. What is your news, my friend? Merger, strategic partnership. Synergy, whoa. Dang it. Whoa. Okay, I'm not interested in that. Chai. Or CHAI. Strategic joint venture. Okay. All right, we're about to be at market open, so okay, I'm buying in on this. Buying in on roller because I like this pullback to the 20. I like the way it's wicking, low volume. Okay, strong open here on roller. Don't think we should move our target too much. All right, we're out. All right, that's one trade to start our morning. Perfectly retested up where we wanted it. Love that. That was a good trade. That felt good. So we made 1256. That was just about, yeah, a little over 1 hour there. Almost stopped out. Alright, we're gonna watch some other ones like this. Snail, I don't know. We're gonna wait for a pullback. My computer is kind of lagging right now, honestly, so let's see if I can fix that. Definitely lags when we let's see here. Let's mark out some lines of other resistance. Right, I like this. I want to see where this pulls back to. We had some nice wickage on it. Pretty deep pullback. We are creating our 5-minute orbs here now. Right, WGRX, strong volume selling on this. Come over back to Snail, see what's going on here. A nice climb back up on Snail. Snail's still pretty bullish. Good volume overall. Okay, WGRX seems a little too slow for me. This one's looking nice. Ooh, nice. Big break on Snail through some resistance pre-market. Want to see if we can get a pullback on this from our sellers. Buy at a discount. Definitely will want to get in at a discount. Nice pullback here to VWAP. Love that. Just give us a little room to breathe here. See if this holds VWAP. And Snail, we're waiting for a pullback. We want a nice little pullback. Alright, I'm in. Look. Strong move here. We entered a little high, but putting a sell order up here. Just going to try and lock this in. We already had a good trade before this. Just trying to lock things in today after yesterday's crazy day. Pulling back again. I'm going to lower this just a little bit. Don't love this. See if we can get back up and retest. Might actually just lower this a little bit more. It's pulling back too much. I don't like it. Alright. Just get out of that. See if we can get a better pullback to enter on. There's a lot of volume on this pullback here, so it could make a deeper pullback. Snail's definitely, this is definitely the strongest stock today so far I see on the screeners. I don't really see anything else tradable. This one we were looking at, but it's not really volatile. Okay, here's a really nice pullback to the EMA 9. I like the way it's reacting there. That was really nice. Okay, we're gonna adjust this to here. Set our stop around there. Alright, we're gonna try and jump back in. Alright, this is a small little bracket trade, but that was a nice wick. Good volume. See if we can get a little bit of curl on this. Still holding nice with the wick there. It's good support. Still holding. It's a little scary watching it, but it's got support clearly. It's wicking at the bottom, real nice. We just need it to kind of absorb those orders and then make a little jump to the top. What I'm hoping for. There we go. Let's hit the take profit. We're close. Got it. Let's go. That was good. That was a good trade. That was nice. Can stay here and keep watching it for more pullbacks. I see that Hoth up here finally had a little break. It's not strong though. Thank you, Marco. It's good to see you again. I don't know if you were here yesterday. Yeah, that was good. That was I don't know if you were here yesterday, but I made a lot of bad trades yesterday. So I'm just coming back today trying to, I don't know, take a little bit of a different approach. Hoth is not super strong. I was waiting to see if it would break out of this range. Nothing too crazy. I think we can keep watching Snail for another pullback, honestly. It broke out of this pre-market high, so it's extremely bullish. Discipline is key in this market. Yeah, definitely. Yesterday, I think I was just kind of confused. Like, I don't even know what I was doing yesterday. But today, I think I needed yesterday to get things figured out today. Is what it felt like. So, All right, let's see if Snail gets another little pullback. It's got a really nice structure, and it was respecting the EMA 9 very nicely. Hoth is slow, but I almost feel like I don't know if it's worth even trading actually. No, but it has a little bit of structure. Pull back to view up. Okay, Snail's making another pullback here. Oh, that's a nice wick on view up there. That's a really nice reaction for Hoth. That's a really nice wick. I'm a little late. I'm a little late. It's already really made its whole move. That wasn't dang. Oh man, if I entered a little bit sooner, we would have caught that. Dang. I just took too long. That's all right. No FOMO trading on that. We'll see if it makes another pullback. Oh, we were so close. That would have been nice. All right, let's get back our attention to Snail. Definitely wouldn't have traded that pullback. That wasn't enough for me. Oh man, we missed it. That sucks. Obviously, Snail, we could have tried to catch a little bit of a bigger move, but not today. Not after yesterday. Whew, imagine we did catch this big move on Snail, though. My gosh. Would have been looking at a 4 or 5R TP or trade. I don't know. I don't know. I'm happy. We've made some small little good trades today. Did I trade my strategy yesterday? Um, no. No. I've been a little frustrated with the 5-minute orb. And on Friday when I was traveling, I wasn't able to stream or record or anything, but I did trade, and I sort of traded. I traded like break of the previous high basically instead of orb, and I got like a small win on Friday, and then I was like, oh, I'm gonna go into Monday and I'm gonna like do this, and then it just blew up on me, and now today I'm doing a little bit more refinement of I'm just kind of trying to take pullbacks. I feel like I've been buying, like when I buy on a break, I feel like I'm chasing. So it feels like my strategy is built in for me to chase trades, and I don't love that. So today I'm kind of playing around with buying on pullbacks and support. So I'm buying at a more of a discounted price. Snail still didn't have that pullback we were hoping for. I really want to see it come back to the EMA 9 with some nice wicks. It's just really strong right now. But I think it's going to slow down. Okay, watching Hoth here, we had another nice wick at VWAP. And we're trading in this window. Yeah, it did. I should have entered, but I've already missed it. I'm sleeping at the wheel right now. But that was a beautiful wick again. I should have hopped in. Not gonna lie, I was feeling a little fearful, so I didn't. Oh, here we go. Hold on. Here's snails coming to the 9. I want to see a nice wick. I mean, it's wicking nicely right now. Come on. Let's see. 208. I really want to see it come down a little bit more. Come on. Let's see it wick. Okay, we don't have a wick yet. That's a pretty strong close on that down candle. So let's try and wait for some confirmation. I can honestly see this pulling back further to the 20. Now let's see. Okay, it's wicking nicely here. Let's see it hold this support. Yeah, that was nice candle close. I like that. All right, we got our bracket set. Still being pushed down a little bit though. It's struggling to break where it's been wicking here. It's struggling to break that. It is holding support though. Oh, it's so close to breaking. Okay, that's a pretty nice candle. I really can't complain about that. I'm tempted to sell early here just because I don't love the volume. I was hoping for a little bit more buyers to step in, but we're holding. We're holding the EMA 9, so I don't love this. Yeah, I don't love this. In my head, I'm like, oh no, my stop loss is a liquidity magnet right now. All right, let's probably close this position. Yeah, I need to close. Hold on. Oh no. Wait, it doesn't let me close when I have these bracket orders in. All right, let's just get out of there. That was a loss. We'll accept that. Of course, it comes back to break even, but no, I'm not worried about that. We need to accept that I'm wrong. I should have sold sooner. If I was thinking about it, then I should have done it. So there's a lesson moving forward. That's all right. We're still up. So far, we're up 23 on the day. With that, I don't want to force anything crazy. I don't want to give back all that today. Is there anything else you're watching right now, Marco? Oh no, I'm gonna be so. I'm a little salty right now. Is the way this is moving back up. Oh my gosh, if this hits where my take profit was, dang, I shouldn't even be watching this. No, it did not hit our stop. It was close. No, it's so close to where our take profit would have been. My gosh. I don't really see any other stocks making moves like Snail is. No, oh my gosh, I definitely hit our take profit. Uh, that's okay. Okay, I'm glad I didn't enter on Hoff when I wanted to. Roller, yeah. Roller is nice pre-market for sure. It's been a big one in the past too. I think all I can really do is sit here and watch Snail for another pullback. Oh man, if I had gotten that trade on Snail, if I didn't sell, probably should have would have just had to end the day there. I'm thinking about ending the day right now, to be honest. I got my 20 in profit. Okay, yeah, I definitely don't want to overtrade today. Yeah, we have nice wicks on this. Okay, the one reason I'm avoiding it though is because clearly it's slowed down. I mean, it was like moving nice, small pullback, small pullback. This pullback took a lot longer, really consolidated. So I feel like this could pull deeper than we think. So back to the 20. This move's almost over. That's the thing. I don't want to like jump in this trade. I'm scared because I think Snail's probably going to start making its way back down to VWAP. But I'd love to stick around for a VWAP bounce too at the same time. Same with Roller. I feel like Roller could make its way back up. Just a VWAP at least. It's got support at the 200. Roller's got a MACD cross, support at the 200. Do we think it could rally back to VWAP? Good support on Snail. Snail's making a nice. Oh, there. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Now I'd be entering too late. I keep doing that. Oh well, it's easier in hindsight. Oh man, that's okay. Yeah, I do think roller back to VWAP, especially we're about to take this micro low. We're about to break over this level here, possibly. And this feels like a reversal, right? Oh, I missed snail again. You know what? I feel good that I'm missing trades because I feel like I'm onto something. Like I do like the pull, like entering on the pullbacks better. Because my strategy was essentially like entering on the break of the previous high, which is, I mean, that's really just chasing. But entering down here when it's wicking, showing support, low volume. Okay, maybe I didn't miss anything though. Pause. Maybe I didn't. Now I'm glad. Now I'm glad. On roller, I'm waiting to see if it can break this level here. It would be a longer trade. It's not gonna like come to view up in 2 minutes. We'll just have to see it. Just wait for some confirmation. All right. To be fair, if I entered on snail and it had that move and then it came back up, I would probably be selling right now. Let's see. See what roller does. I think I'll watch roller and that's probably it. We'll see if we get a trade on it. If not, that's all right. I think this could be it for snail too. This could be where it starts to reverse. I mean, maybe not, but even on the 5 minute, roller's starting to kind of level out down here. Yeah, backside of the move for sure. Roller, this would be like, like I didn't know it was called mean reversion, but I guess that would be kind of like a mean reversion trade. It feels like it's changed directions a little bit. Just barely had a higher low. Yeah, I like roller back to VWAP. I like it a lot. I think I'm going to take it. I'm going to wait for another pullback though. And we need to see that candle close above that line, I think. Not that that line means anything, it's kind of arbitrary, right? But it just represents changing character. Yeah, I really like roller back to VWAP. I think we just need to just be patient. I think that's what I want to work on is patience. I want to see another pullback. And if it rises to VWAP without me, then oh well. How you feeling about roller, Marco? Taking a small trade on it? You waiting for a pullback as well, though? Starting to get a little bit more momentum. Look at that wicken on this one. Dang, I really want to see it pull back more. Give me just a little bit more of a pullback on this candle. I think I'll enter. All right, I think I'm gonna buy it in. EMA 20. Yeah, I mean it hit the EMA 20. Kind of the EMA 9 and EMA 20 are sitting here together. So I got a pretty deep stop loss on this. So I don't know. What are your thoughts? Are you in on it? Let's see. I might have jumped the gun. Who knows? It could pull back to the 200 again. And on 8.7. Okay, so we're about the same. But do we think it pulls back here? Separately, Snail looks like it is making its way down to VWAP for sure. Snail actually found really good support. This was where I was trading on this earlier. I wonder if this can, yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's keep our eyes on Roller. It's definitely gonna be a slow mover. Yeah, it is moving too slow. Let's see. I'm like, if this breaks this line, I gotta say here, I might just close. Might just take the small loss on this one. Oh, no. I am probably gonna just sell if we can get back to like break even or a little bit more. Probably close. It's moving too slow for me. I agree. Yeah, close at 8.7. I agree. Not gonna get greedy here. 8.7. Yeah, let's get break even. Yeah. Break even. Break even. Break even. Break even. Oh, we're close. Break even. Let's go. Yeah. I'm glad that I didn't want to be part of the reason to lead you astray. Yeah, that's slow. Oh my god, that's too slow. It did respect this line though. Can it make a higher high? I don't. I'm probably done for the day. We broke even on that. That's literally a sign that's like, okay, you're done for the day. Yeah, no, let's go. We got break even. That was good. Nice. Yeah. Did you close, Marco, or were you like, oh, maybe let me milk a couple more cents off of it? Not that you still couldn't. Off the EMA 200, yeah. I'm not interested in it. Not anymore. It's past what? The markets have been open for about an hour now. Things are really slowing down. But we got $23 today. Filled, nice. Let's go. That's good. I'm glad we both got out of that one. So yesterday went crazy. It lost 33. Today we got back 23. I felt good about today. I felt more in control. I felt like I was getting better value on my entries. So I want to take what I did today, try to apply that moving forward, ideally, right? So yeah, I mean, still down 18 overall. Today's a win though. And I learned a lot from yesterday because really we learn more from the red days than we do from the green days. So even though the red days hurt, I'm grateful. And yeah, good. Come back tomorrow and see how it goes. Um, make the recap. Really just traded snail today. Sweet. All right, Marco, thanks for tuning into the live stream. It's always fun. I like seeing what you have to say. And I hope to see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day.